Hi, everyone. Want to track your Google Ads performance all in one place? Imagine having all your ad data and insights in a single dashboard. GoHighLevel. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Google Ads to GoHighLevel for seamless performance tracking. Let's get started. First things first, let's jump into the GoHighLevel. Once you're logged in, head to the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the bottom left corner. From there, click on the Integrations tab. You'll see multiple platforms you can connect, but today we're focusing on Google. Go ahead and click on Sign in with Google. Next, select the Google account linked to your Google Ads and click Continue. You'll need to grant GoHighLevel permission to access your ads data, so make sure to select the correct account and click Allow. After that, choose the business page you want to link. Then simply click Connect. Once connected, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know the integration was successful. That's it. You're all set to track your Google Ads performance directly from GoHighLevel. Grab your 30-day free trial now and start building your own funnel today. Don't forget to schedule your kickoff call for the easiest and most effective start. Links are in the video description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.